guys, I'm Miss Geels. Let's take a look at AP Environmental Science for next year. Or also known as APES. So with this course, APES will look at engaging you in different scientific concepts within the natural world and how everything's interrelated. So we'll look at different human-made problems, how the environment works, looking at risk with problems and potential solutions. And we'll look at different topics related from different scientific realms. So like geology, biology, environmental studies, science, some chemistry. So some prerequisites for this course are that you've had chemistry and biology, because those are the most concentrated for environmental science. A look at some of our units. Unit 1 is going to be talking about ecosystems. So throwback to bio with some biomes, carbon cycle, nitrogen, water cycle with chemistry, and energy flow, how energy flows through different ecosystems. Following that, Unit 2 will look at different biodiversity and things that may disturb or affect that biodiversity. Unit 3 will look at different populations, human populations, animal populations, and how they affect the environment. Our next unit is going to be Earth systems and resources. So geology, soil, the atmosphere, how we deal with different watersheds, and climate, how climate fits in with that. Then we have land and water use. So sustainable versus non-sustainable, different mining and forestry techniques, agriculture, protein production, and human urbanization. Then we have energy resources and consumption, looking at both renewable and non-renewable, different energy sources and conservation. Atmospheric pollution, outdoor air pollution, indoor air pollution, and how we can reduce air pollutants, especially in our Central Valley. Aquatic and terrestrial pollution, so different types of pollution, water, solid waste, and how it affects the health of ecosystems. And lastly, global change, ozone depletion, the greenhouse effect, biodiversity loss, and a lot of the units are mixed together, and we'll have a lot of crossover. So that is a look at APES, or AP Environmental Science.